make the marble run. So first use this piece with this piece on top and this block. Then which piece again? This piece and this piece on top. Oh.
You get the block.
Now put this piece on top. Oops. Now that is good. And put this piece on top of this, and we will need.
What is marble run?
Marble run is something that you need the marbles and you have to build it.
Good job. Now we need this. Put it on here. Now this one on top of that one. Some more circles. Put them all on. A bit more. One more. Yes, that looks pretty. The pattern. Then put this big piece on. Then the last piece. We need lots of blocks. And this one last piece. Yay!
Yay!
Now we're going to put the marbles in.
And we have to put these in this.
So here are our marbles, the blue ones, and we're going to put them in. Ooh! Oopsie. Yay!
Now we're going to do a next one with things.
Yes, we're going to put these things on.
Next.
Here and here and here and here. What? There. One last piece there. Now we finish. One
Now
last.
let's do 6 at a time.
Okay, 6 at the time. Hold them gently, 6 at the time. 3, 2, 1. Woo!